presidential. All right, cool. Let me roll. I'll be. All right, thanks, Steve. What I may do is I don't have a lot of reach. Just put my toe right here. If that's okay. So, yeah, I just like the base of it is in all here. I think we're good. Yeah, I got one. Expect a picture.
What'd you say?
I said I expect a picture.
I have a terrible shot.
You got me. Just shoot through here. Actually, it's a very clean shot.
I can't see.
It's a clean shot. Make sure you get my tushy. You know, in these pants, they look good. Just put my toe.
Good afternoon, folks. Senator Harris and I just completed briefings on both COVID and the economic crisis facing this nation. And we're reminded again of the severity of this pandemic. Cases are on the rise nationwide, and we're nearing 240,000 deaths due to COVID. And our hearts go out to each and every family that has lost a loved one to this terrible disease. In America, the vote is sacred. It's how people of this nation express their will. And it is the will of the voters, no one, not anything else, that chooses the President of the United States of America. So, each ballot must be counted. And that's what we're going to see going through now. And that's how it should be. Democracy is sometimes messy. It sometimes requires a little patience as well. But that patience has been rewarded now for more than 240 years with a system of governance that's been the envy of the world. And we continue to feel, Senator and I, we continue to feel very good about where things stand. We have no doubt that when the count is finished, Senator Harris and I will be declared the winners. So I ask everyone to stay calm, all the people to stay calm. The process is working. The count is being completed, and we'll know very soon. So thank you all for your patience, but we have to count the votes. God bless you all, and may God protect our troops. Thank you so much.